Some politicians and scientists previously predicted that the Arctic Ocean would experience completely ice-free summers by now, but that hasn't come close to happening. Some claim Arctic sea ice will soon completely disappear in summer. While there is a long-term decline trend, recent satellite data show that the summer minimum hasn't declined since 2007 and has been pretty stable. Let's look closer at the data. Precise measurements of sea ice that are consistent and accurate have only been taken since 1979, when satellites began being used for that purpose. Before that period, we could derive sea ice trends from observational records and from proxy data, or measurements of something else that can point to sea ice extent. Melting isn't new to the region. Observational records indicate that there may have been similar or less Arctic sea ice extent in the 1930s. Also, the National Snow and Ice Data Center looked at the proxy data and determined that as recently as 5,500 years ago, summertime Arctic sea ice levels were likely as low or lower than it is today, and 125,000 years ago, the ice may have been completely melted during summertime. There was an abrupt drop in summer sea ice extent, according to satellite data, in 2007, following a longer trend of very slow decline since 1979. But the sea ice minimum in 2023 was practically the same as that 2007 low, and there has been zero net change over the past 17 years, according to the same data. Some researchers have suggested that this nearly 20-year stability means that the Arctic sea ice system has undergone what they call a regime shift to this new, stable condition, which may be with us for quite a while. This isn't a new event either. In a 1931 issue of Monthly Weather Review, a Danish research group reported a similar drop in sea ice. In short, the Arctic is nowhere near ice-free, and any ongoing decline in sea ice remains quite modest.